This maple walnut upside down sour cream cake combines a candied walnut topping with an ultra moist brown sugar sour cream cake center, a sweet walnut crust, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the sticky maple walnut topping, melt 15 grams butter and mix with 5 grams Canadian whiskey and 15 grams maple syrup. Spread on the bottom of the skillet. Fill the bottom of the skillet with large walnut pieces, about 20 grams, and roast in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes to start caramelizing the walnuts. To make the brown sugar sour cream cake, cream 25 grams sugar with 15 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the hot walnuts, then mix 10 grams chopped walnuts with 10 grams brown sugar, and spread evenly on top of the cake. Bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The upside down cake is done when the center is domed, caramelized, and a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle, then use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate.